Today we are going to walk through a simple process that allows you to check your WordPress blog traffic statistics directly from your admin dashboard in about 5 minutes. This tutorial explains each step clearly and provides the practical context you need to make sense of your analytics. We begin by directing your attention to the WordPress homepage. When you open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website, the first action you will take is to look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an option to log in. Clicking this login link takes you to the authentication area where you can securely access your account. This straightforward step is designed so that you get to your customized dashboard quickly and efficiently. After you click on the login link, the next part of the process requires you to use your Google account for authentication. When you select the option that says Continue with Google, you will be presented with a choice of accounts. Simply choose your preferred Google account from the list that appears. This method streamlines the sign-in process because it leverages an existing authentication system, saving you time and making sure that your login is secure. Once you have successfully logged in using your Google account, you will be directed to your WordPress administrative dashboard. Within this area, your primary focus is to locate the section that shows your website statistics. Look for a link or an icon clearly labeled Stats. This is where WordPress compiles all of your visitor data into an accessible format. When you click on the Stats section, you are taken to a dedicated area where your traffic data is displayed. Moving ahead within the dashboard, you will specifically notice a segment labeled Traffic. This part of the dashboard is key because it provides you with detailed insights into how many visitors your website and blog have received. When you click on the Traffic area, the dashboard refreshes to display comprehensive data such as the number of visits, page views, and sometimes even the geographic origins of your visitors. This information is presented in a visually engaging format, often with graphs and charts that help you understand the ebb and flow of your audience over different time periods. Now that your traffic statistics are visible, take some time to carefully review and interpret the data. The WordPress interface shows how your visitors interact with your content on a daily basis. These metrics are not only interesting but also very useful for planning your content strategy and for tweaking your website's performance. By regularly checking these statistics, you can determine which posts are most engaging and which areas of your website might benefit from further attention or optimization. It is important to note that each time you log in and navigate to the stats page, you are given fresh insights into the behavior of your audience. The dashboard is designed with clarity in mind, so that whether you are a seasoned webmaster or just starting out, you can quickly glean the information you need to make informed decisions about your content. This advantage is what makes WordPress a popular platform for bloggers and website owners alike. In summary, the process begins with visiting the WordPress homepage and clicking the login option. You then authenticate using your Google account, which leads you to your administrative dashboard. From there, accessing the stats section allows you to view detailed visitor metrics in the traffic area. With these simple steps, you can now effortlessly keep track of your website and blog performance, which is vital for any successful online presence. Thank you for following this tutorial on how to view your WordPress blog traffic statistics using the admin dashboard.